Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
USP ka East Khas Hills uri tu Raj Ravi habekran bat kilat pathai khubor mentagasngi kalai tarik yayong ulaong bakiladon kumbalai Haduh South Pak Ngut kibriu kibala Ïalum lembung hakmat kathanat bulit Sohra kibala Pyrshah halor ka Jingshah ya Ngut ki Dkhot ke KSU South Khas Hills kibala Suba don keti ban penyap ya Ngut ki khana samla barjala ichamati Henry hadian ka jingakran kini kibriu kiba Pyrshah kilaya prano bat ka jinglong jingman kalong ka bajai-jai ha ka bayade ba ka jinglet kam ya ki Dkhot jong ka KSU klem ki sabut ki babyang na kaliang USP ula pentip ba ka tanat pulit kalale ya ka kam de hadian ka jingyo ya ki jingtip ki batikna bat ki sabut ki babyang bat ka jinglet kam ya kita ki Dkhot ka KSU kadai ka benta ka bamla ban kyar namar ki don ki khep ki bakum ka tanat ka yo jingtip om hakapor mensngi kumta om ban se ban pendap ya ka kam bandit kam kat kum ki jingtip balayo.
Today crowd numbering around 300 to 400 they gathered at Sohra PS and there they protested against the arrest that we have made in connection with the murders that happened at Ichamati. However, the protest was peaceful and after some time they dispersed from the PS premises peacefully.
What was agreed, sir?
They were protesting against these arrests. So we have explained that we are investigating the two murders and the law shall take its own course.
Sir, it is also we heard that these people were saying that police with proper evidence only should go and arrest, something like that.
Yes. So on that front, we would like to stress that we go as per the evidence that we gathered during the investigation, and the investigation is being undertaken as per the procedures of law. Thank you.
East Khas Hills police is highly criticized the way the arrest has been made in this when these two people were arrested.
So, the moment of incident, we have been investigating this case as per the provisions of law, and we have progressed in that as per the evidences that we have collected, as per the witness accounts, and as per all the scientific data that we have collected from PO and all other relevant facts of the matter. Now, the investigation, during investigation, the leads that we received and based on very strong evidences, only those arrests were made.
So, from what I understand, they had a problem with the midnight arrests, and they have been informing the government time and again, and the police also not to do so.
We always endeavor that to make arrests during daytime and during daylight hours only. However, it's during when we pursue the leads, when we pursue the evidences, the timings may not always be as per the conveniences. So these things do happen sometimes. Thank you.
So, in view of the crossing of the vehicles, was it being used?
We are getting 2 more companies of CAPF, and soon they will be deployed.
This is for election or for
Election, yes.
because of law?
Election.
So earlier we have 18 companies, right?
No, 18 was what we had projected, but till now we have received, we got 6. 2 more we are getting.
It will be 8.
8 till now. Thank you.